Welcome everyone to another episode in the Perspective Drawing series. In this video we are going to be learning about the horizon line. When I begin a drawing, I often start by establishing the position of the horizon line. And yes, this is just a simple horizontal line which spans across the entire drawing. But what is it? Well, the horizon line is our eye level. These are both the same thing. It delineates that separation between the sky and the ground. If we were to find ourselves out in the desert, where the ground seems to stretch out as far as the eye can see, we would be able to recognise that separation, that one continuous line. On a busy city street, the line is still there, there's just all of these buildings, cars and people obstructing it. If you were to go inside, the horizon line would still be there as well. It's always there and you always need it. Seeing as it is also your eye level, you are able to change the level of this line. If you were to lay down on the ground, you would find that the line has lowered. Likewise, if you was to be a lot higher above ground, the line would also be higher. The horizon line rises and lowers with our height. It remains at eye level. All of this applies to when you draw on a flat surface, except you are in charge. You get to choose where you want this line. You are able to change the perspective, and you do this in a virtual sense when drawing to create an interesting image. Before you start a drawing, you will likely have an idea of what you want to draw, so try and consider how you want the image to appear, and then decide on where you want to place the horizon line and where it would work best. Changing the level of this line will give you different results. As you can see here, the chair on the left is shown from above because the eye level is above. The chair on the right is shown from below because the eye level is below. So that is the horizon line. And throughout these earlier episodes we are going to be exploring some basic terminology before then progressing onto the more complex aspects. For the purpose of this tutorial, I created a few drawings, and I'll be posting some additional tutorials for each of these over on Patreon. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please leave a like. Be sure to subscribe with the notifications on to stay up to date, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. You can also find me on various social media. All of those will be listed in the description. That is all from me today. I will see you in the next video.